So we know that from looking at supply, when the price increases of a product, this leads to quantity supplied increasing. Okay, it becomes more profitable for producers to supply a product when the price increases. Now, price elasticity of supply is a measure of the responsiveness of quantity supplied to a change in price. Okay, so by how much does quantity supplied change when price changes? So we can find out the price elasticity of supply of a product by using the percentage change formula. So we can look at the percentage change in quantity supplied over percentage change in price here. Now, just like our other elasticities formulas, we always have quantity on the top. So queen is on the top. So let's have a look at an example. So if the price of tomatoes increased by 20%, and quantity supplied of tomatoes increased from 20,000 to 22,000, what's the price elasticity of supply? So firstly, we need to find that percentage change in the quantity supplied of tomatoes. So this was the old amount of tomatoes, and this is the new amount. So new minus old over old times 100 gives us that percentage change in the quantity supplied of tomatoes. So 22,000 minus 20,000 over 20,000 times 100 will give us a 10% increase in the quantity supplied of tomatoes. So going back to this formula here, if we look at percentage change in quantity supplied as 10, and we were told that the percentage change of price was 20%, so 10 divided by 20 would give us 0.5, and that would be our price elasticity of supply coefficient. You're always going to have a positive number with price elasticity of supply because we're always going to have that positive relationship between price and quantity supplied. Okay, they're always going to move in the same direction. So you're always going to have a positive number. So with this 0.5, we can use this table here to see where that fits. So 0.5 is here between 0 to 1. So that's inelastic supply. A price change causes a less than proportionate change in quantity supplied. So we've had that price change in tomatoes, it's led to a less than proportionate change in quantity supplied. So if you were to come out with a number that was greater than 1, that would be elastic supply. And that's showing that a price change causes a more than proportionate change in quantity supplied. Okay, so for example, if the percentage change in quantity supplied increased by 10% from a 2% price change, 10 divided by 2 equals 5. That's a number greater than 1, showing elastic supply. If you came out with a number equal to 1, that would mean we'd have an equal proportionate change in quantity supplied from our change in price. So for example, if the price increased by 10% and quantity supplied also increased by 10%, 10 divided by 10 would give us 1. Okay, so that's unitary elastic supply.